I'm Samantha Clayton. This is a beginner core workout. I'm here with my training partner, Dane. Let's get started. Get into tabletop position, hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. We're gonna do a simple crunch. Arm comes out front as your opposite leg goes back. You crunch into the middle and then extend back out. Your eyes are looking just down in front of you to keep a nice neutral spine. And if you need to modify, go ahead and keep that back leg tapped on the floor. Let's switch sides. Opposite leg back, opposite arm forward, and then crunch to the middle to activate your core muscles. Knee to elbow. Give me one more. Now let's take it down to the floor to do a modified Superman. So arms are by your sides of your chest, eyes are looking down. You extend one arm forward as you lift up the back leg, come back to the start, and lift. Down and lift. Again, it's important that your eyes are looking straight down to keep your neutral spine. And you're engaging those lower back muscles and activating the glute as you lift one leg up. Keep it going. Now let's flip over onto our back and just do a simple crunch. Really works the front of the abs. Feet are flat on the floor, knees are bent, laying back, hands are behind the ears. All you're gonna do, engage the core, lift the shoulders up off the floor. Eyes are looking up at the ceiling. Remembering to breathe. And again, your crunch is working these muscles right in the front, your rectus abdominals, what we call our six-pack muscles. Keep it going. Give me two more. Now our next move, we're going to do a modified bicycle. Extend one leg out, keeping one on the floor. That's what makes this modified. Go across the body, elbow to knee, extend out. Cross the body, extend out. You should feel the muscles in the side of your abs working as well as those ones in the front. Give me one more on this side and then let's switch sides. Extend the leg out, crunch up. Take the elbow across the body. Eyes are following that elbow across. One more. Now come up into a seated position. This is where we're going to do a modified boat pose. So we're going to keep our hands planted on the floor, fingertips facing your glutes. Leaning back slightly, we're going to lift one leg up, keeping one leg flat, engaging the core. Place the foot down, lift the other foot up, pointing the toe. And now this time, engage your core fully, lifting both feet off the floor. Single, single, and double. This is modified because we are keeping our hands on the floor, so we're giving our tummy a little bit of help because this is a beginner workout. But as you advance in boat pose, those hands will come up, the arms will be extended, and then you'll be in full boat. Feel your core working. Give me two more. One last one. Point the toes. Feet come down. Great job. So that's your 5-minute beginner core workout. Try to repeat it a few times through, but it really will engage your core. And whenever you work your core, make sure you do flip over and work those lower back muscles to stay balanced.